welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna go do some errands.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character. Every tear that you cry is worth it.
Time to take some allergy meds. It was much needed. My eyes, oh my god, my eyes has been so puffy. It's not fun. I dropped my keys. Oh my god, huge ass bug.
Oh, my teeth. It's so nice out.
I know, it's beautiful though. Look at that cutie.
It's so nice out.
It's a beautiful day. Any song request?
Man, my tits are huge.
He's so awkward. It was on my car. Just kidding. You need anything? I'm getting that. Cute as it. Are these purple? Oh, why'd you taste it?
Make a big one.
Are you just having one egg? Oh. One egg. I'm vlogging with my GoPro and everybody's staring at me and my heart is like racing because it's drawing attention and I really don't like attention in public. So my anxiety is rising up. Social anxiety. We had to move spots because for some reason the connection on our phone wasn't connecting to the Scan and Go, but we got it finally. But this is everything we got. Basically my husband wants to make subs. I got pork for my diet, Miracle Whip for his subs, eggs, and then my all-time favorite non-stick oil. Best thing ever, you guys. Okay, now we're gonna go. We're done at Sam's, but I need to get gas and the line is pretty long. Just waiting for gas. I am just ready to eat. Oh. Full You want some ice? Excuse me, Coda.
It's really close, you know.
Hi, what are you doing, buddy?
Eating a snack.
I am gonna end the night by reading Jujutsu Kaisen again. And this is the last book that I have. I need to get book 18. I basically have the whole collection. I have book 1 to 17, and I need to get book 18. And I think book 18 just came out like probably 2 weeks ago, a couple weeks ago. Another thing I want to talk about before I end this vlog is I'm proud of myself because you guys, I vlogged in public. Yes! Yay! And let me tell you guys, it was really nerve-wracking. I do not like the feeling of it because everybody's staring at me. So the first few clips of me filming at Sam's Club was I was using my Fujifilm, which is what I'm using right now. Then I maneuvered to switching. Is that the same thing? Anyways, I switched to my GoPro 9, you guys. And I'm gonna be very honest, I forgot that I had a GoPro 9. I charged this baby up, put the memory card in it, and I started vlogging at Sam's Club because I was able to get the shots that I wanted, and like it was easier for me to kind of be more like discreet about vlogging. But it really didn't matter because everybody was looking at me either way, and I was very nervous, like I said, and my anxiety was going crazy and my heart was about to jump out like but I'm still proud of myself because I started vlogging in public, and I am a big introvert person, so it was a big challenge for me, and I'm proud of myself that I did it. I will do it again. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it until I get better at it, and I want to get better at that, and I definitely will get better at it. So you guys will watch me, you guys will grow with me while I vlog in public. Thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please let me know. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching my video, why are you not subscribed? Just saying, no peer pressure. But if you do subscribe to my channel, thank you. If you are not, please feel free to subscribe. It will help my channel grow a lot. And that is it. Bye.